Before we start making on our dough, first we gonna wear our equipment. Disposable gloves, apron, and hairnet. We wear hairnet para hindi mahulog ang mga buhok sa ating dough. First step, let's pour our flour in the mixing bowl. Second step is to put our yeast. Next step is to put our salt. Let's mix our dry ingredients before we put wet ingredients. Let's put our cooking oil and water. Let's mix it. Mix the dough until it's formed a shape. Knead the dough when it forms a shape. Let's roll it by using a rolling pin. Pour a flour on chopping board so it won't stick. Put our dough and roll it by using a rolling pin. Now let's roll it. This is the final result of our dough. Now, let's put it in the plate. Let's put a flour in our hands so the dough it won't stick in our bare hands. Let's put an edges on the dough. Let's pour on tomato sauce on our dough. Let's put an ham on our dough. Let's put an bell pepper on our dough. Put a pineapple on our dough. And last, put our grated mozzarella cheese. Here is the final result of my pizza toppings. Put our dough in the toaster oven and bake it for 20 minutes. I'm past. This is the final product of my pizza making. Cautions on oven. Use oven mitt when getting the pizza in oven to avoid your hand burn. 2. Don't touch the surface of oven to avoid getting burned.
Ang grade mo na?
8 po.
Wow!
Rate mo po today.
Yan yung overtime.
Help. Help. Rate niya? Ang rate niya for me is 10/10 kasi sakto lang yung lambot niya and then yung toppings niya.